Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So from today we will see a string function in PHP with syntax and small example. Here list of function available in PHP. Some of string function we will cover in this session, and after next session remaining function we will cover. So first function is chr. This function is converted your ASCII to a character. So syntax is this function have a one ASCII value and this ASCII value is converted to your character. Here is one example. Here chr is your function that have 65. So 65 is ASCII value of capital A. So after this function is executed, it will give a capital A. Here second example, we will pass 97. So 97 is ASCII value of small a. So after this function is execute, it give a small a. Now next function is ORD function. So this function is converted your first character to ASCII value. Here you have to pass one character and this function is converted this character to a ASCII value. So it return integer value. Here is the example. Here ORD function have one character capital A. So this function is converted capital A to ASCII value 65. 65 is ASCII value of capital A. Now we will pass A, B and C. But this function is converted first character to ASCII value. So this function is only take small a. So small a ASCII value is 97. This function is ignore remaining character B and C. Now next function is str to lower. So this function is converted your string to lowercase. Here is the syntax. Here is we will pass one string and this function is converted this string to a lowercase and it give a lowercase string. So return type is string. Here is example. Here str to lower function have pass hello and hi. So this function is converted all character to a lowercase. Here we will pass hi and hello. So this function is converted all character hi and hello to a lowercase. Here you can see hi and hello, all character are converted to lowercase. Now next function is str to upper. So str to upper function is converted all string character to a uppercase. Here we will pass one string and this function is converted this string to uppercase and it will return uppercase string. So return type is string. Here is example str to uppercase string we will pass hello and hi. So some character are a small and some character are capital. So this function is converted all character to uppercase. Here you can see output of str to upper. Here we will pass hi and hello. So all character are converted to uppercase. So now next function is UC first. This function convert the first character of string to uppercase. Here first character of string is H. So this function is converted H to uppercase. Remaining character is as it is. Here first character is H. So this function is converted H to capital letter. Remaining I is small. So no changes in remaining character. So now your next PHP function is UC word. So this function is convert your first character of each word to a uppercase. Here UC word have a two parameter. First is string and second is delimiters. So it is optional specifier the word separator. Here strings that you want to convert your first character to a uppercase. Here is example UC word have pass one string welcome to PHP. So this function is converted each word into a capital. Here W is converted to capital, T is small. So it is converted T to upper. Here PHP have P is small. So it converted P to capital. So it converted first character of each word into capital letter. Now next function is strlen. So this function is calculate your length of string. Here this function is executed and it give integer value your length of string. Here we will pass PHP demo. So length of string is 7. Here you have to calculate 1, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So it give a 7. Now we will pass A, 1, B, 2 and here is space. So it will also calculate space of your string. Now C and 3. So length of string is 7. Here character is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. But it will also calculate length. So your length of string is 7. Now next is ltrim. Here ltrim function will be a remove white space or predefined character from your left side of the string. Here syntax is ltrim have two parameters. First is string that we want to remove white space or predefined character from left side. And second is character list. This character list that we want to remove from the string. Here it is optional character list. If we pass, then this character list remove from your string. If we omit this character list, then this function is remove this list of character that in your string. Here is example. Here we will declare one string and value is hello world. Now ltrim function we will pass hello world and we want to remove hello. So after this function is execute, it will give only word. Now next function is rtrim. So this function is remove white space or predefined character from your right side of the string. Here is the syntax. Here your function have two parameters. First is string and second is character list that we want to remove from your string. After this string is execute, it give a string. Here is one example. This character list that we will see in our ltrim. Same here is follow and we will see a example. So here example rtrim function we will pass str. In str we will have a hello word and now we want to remove word or we want to strip word. So after executing rtrim, it will give a hello. Now next function is trim. So this function is remove white space or predefined character from your both of the side, left side and right side. Here is the syntax. Here trim function have two parameters. First is string and second is character list. Here character list that we want to remove from left side and we want to remove from right side. If this character list is optional, if we specify, then it will remove from your string. If we omit, then this function remove this character list from your string. Here is example. Here we will pass hello world string into our trim function and we will pass he. So this function is remove he from your string. So after removing he, the output is LLO and word. Now next function is substring. So this function return some part of your string. Here this function syntax have three parameters. First is string, second is start. Start is specify where to start your new string and length. Here's length of your string. Length is optional. If you pass, then it's okay. If you not pass, then it not give any error. Here string and start both are mandatory field. Now here we will see an example. Substring function we will pass string and we will pass starting position. So starting position is 6. That means for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this 5 character and first one is space. So this 6 character is removed from your string. It will give only word. So starting position, that means where we want to start our new string. So it will give you in your starting position. Here we will ignore length. So it will only give a word as a output. I hope you have understand some string function. Thank you everyone.